Class 8, Subject GK, Lesson 10. Chapter name is The Lost Cities of the World. In this chapter, we are going to learn few popular lost cities of the world. The first question is came in our mind that why and how it is lost. So that is not a fixed reason behind it. Ki this is a reason and because of this reason these cities are lost. Different reason behind that. For example, any natural calamity is there, battle is there, and sometimes people are leave a particular place. Many reason behind it for lost these popular cities. Now in this first you can see Angkor Wat. That is a picture. It was once the largest city in the world and more than 1 million people live there. It is located in Cambodia. Thus, the city has an area of more than 78 square kilometers. That is a very big area. It was surrounded by a water filled moat. French naturalist Henry Mott was the first Westerner to discover the city in 1861. So that was a time. Then again he discovered this city. Next, very popular place that is a Machu Picchu. Inca was a group of South American Indians. It was a fortified Inca city on the top of a mountain. It is located in present day Peru. Present name is a Peru. It was unknown to the outside world before being brought to international attention in 1911 by an American historian Hiram Bingham. That city is a Machu Picchu. Next you can see Pompeii. This city was completely burned by volcanic ash when Mount Vesuvius erupted in AD 79. Its expansion started in 1748 and since then many treasures have been discovered, which include beautifully preserved moss or wall painting. Today, it has become the UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the most popular tourist attraction of Italy. So that Pompeii city is situated in Italy. More than 25 lakh visitors visit this site every year. So that is a very popular city. Next, Mohenjo-daro. About this city, you had already learned many things in a history. It is an archaeological site situated in the province of Sindhu, Pakistan. Sindh is a Pakistan. It was one of the world's earliest major settlements. It was built in 2600 BC and abandoned around 1800 BC. It was discovered in 1922 by Rakhaldas Banerjee. City name is Mohenjo-daro. Next is Troy. Troy city. This city was once thought to have existed only in legend, but its site was discovered in the 1870s. It is located in present day Turkey. It is best known for being the setting of the Trojan War, which has been described in the Greek epic Iliad by Homer. So that is a very important for a Turkey peoples because that is a that story that city is related from a historical place. Next one is a Ur. Once it was one of the greatest cities in the world, but it was abandoned in the 4th century BC. Its magnificent royal tombs and other sites were excavated by archaeologists between 1922 to 34. It is located in Iraq. Now next you can see now find out. One question is here कि which canal connect the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean? The Panama Canal. Answer is a Panama Canal. One more thing I want to discuss with you, that is a why the Mayan developed the world's greatest civilization. That is a question. Why the Mayan developed the world's greatest civilization? The answer is the Mayan people developed the world's greatest civilization because they developed city which contain palace, temples and wall courts. That is why Mayan developed the world's greatest civilization. So that is also important that you have to revise. Now this chapter is over. Thank you.